Hello friends, I am here Kripa Shankar once again with you. We would like to inform you that the content on studentsrunway.com is exclusively compiled for distribution solely on studentsrunway.com. You may use the content for personal learning or pass it on to your friends, but please do not use it for any commercial or institutional use without acquiring prior authorization. Any tampering of watermarks of studentsrunway.com or Krupa Coaching is liable for legal action. This is Krupa signing off. Thank you very much. All the best.
This is the picture of a mandarin, Mandarin. Mandarin means a bureaucrat actually. Today Mandarin describes a bureaucrat. It's a negative word for a bureaucrat. In fact, the word bureaucrat itself is a negative word. In the Chinese Empire, a member of a very high-ranked officials, they were called mandarins. So any member of an elite group can be called a mandarin. A member of an elite group, leading intellectual political figure, sometimes one who is very pompous and arbitrary, can be called a mandarin. So today a bureaucrat, high bureaucrat, can be called a mandarin. The mandarins of the PMO, Prime Minister's office. A bureaucrat, Bureaucrat, an official in a bureaucracy, especially one who follows a routine in a mechanical, unimaginative, rigid way and insists on too many rules and proper procedures and all kinds of petty details. So a bureaucrat is a government functionary, an official, and of course the word carries a negative connotation. This is a carriageway, in fact a dual carriageway. Carriageway. Now carriageway simply means a road which is used for driving and allowing heavy vehicles to pass, a driveway. This person is dubious about something, Dubious. So what does that mean? Doubtful. That's right. You said it right. You guessed correctly. Dubious, causing doubt, ambiguous, a dubious remark. Dubious means feeling doubt, hesitating, skeptical. A dubious battle means the outcome is undecided or hanging in the balance. He is a dubious character. That means rousing suspicion, questionable, shady character. So dubious means hesitant, skeptical, indecisive, ambiguous, questionable, obscure, arousing suspicion, shady character, shady. This is a dugong, Dugong. A dugong is a mammal and a large tropical mammal that lives in the Indian Ocean. It feeds mostly on seaweed. Duke, the royalty, Duke. Dukes are a duke is a prince who rules an independent duchy, Duchy, a nobleman of the highest hereditary rank below that of the prince. So all these form the patriciate, aristocrat, nobleman, patrician, Patrician. Patrician in ancient Rome, of course, the member of the ancient Roman citizen families. And of course, today we use the word patrician to describe a member of the nobility. Antonym for patrician is plebeian. Plebeian. Plebeian means the common man. Patrician means the aristocracy. People who have descended from kings, royalty, blue blood, all these high-born, grand aristocratics, all that. So duchy. Duchy is the area of the rule of a duke, Duke. This is a musical instrument, dulcimer, Dulcimer. A musical instrument with metal strings which are struck with two small hammers by the player. This is a dunce. Look at his expression. D-U-N-C-E. A dunce is a dull, ignorant person, a moron, M-O-R-O-N, a person who is very slow at learning, a dull and dumbo character, ignorant, M-O-R-O-N, a moron. Moron means a retarded person, mentally equal to a child between 8 and 12 years old. So moron means a very foolish, stupid fellow, feeble-minded fellow, mentally handicapped person, an imbecile, I-M-B-E-C-I-L-E, simply an idiot. This is a sand dune, D-U-N-E. A dune is a rounded hill or ridge of sand heaped by the action of the wind. So dunes are caused by the action of wind. So also canyons are caused by the action of rivers. C-A-N-Y-O-N. Canyon is a valley. When rivers flow through land, they can cut through rock, and the resultant formation is a deep valley which can be called a canyon. So in analogies you will find you can find this combination. Dune sand is as to canyon river. This is another picture of sand dunes. These are dungarees. D-U-N-G-A-R-E-E. A dungaree is actually a coarse cotton fabric, specifically blue denim. Denim pants you must be wearing. D-E-N-I-M. So blue denim can be called dungaree. That such a cotton fabric is called dungaree. And of course, dungaree also means work trousers or overalls made with this kind of cloth, and they look like this. That's a dungaree. It's actually Hindi word, dungri. Denim is made from denim. Denim means a sackcloth, a coarse, twilled, sturdy cotton cloth used for jeans and overalls and uniforms. So this is a child's dungaree, and this man is wearing a dungaree, an overall, a work cloth, overall. This girl is feeling duplicitous about something. Something seems to be duplicitous. D-U-P-L-I-C-I-T-I-O-U-S. Duplicitous means something that is doubtful, deceitful, characterized by duplicity, dishonest, cheating. So duplicitous means characterized by duplicity and doubt. Duplicity means double dealing, saying one thing and doing another thing and cheating somebody. Hypocritically, very cunning, using deception, double dealing, dishonesty, hypocrisy, fraud, guile, trickery. So this girl is feeling that something is duplicitous here. That means some fraud is going on. This is the picture of dusk, and I want you to remember the word G-L-O-A-M-I-N-G, gloaming. Evening dusk, twilight. Gloaming means twilight, T-W-I-L-I-G-H-T. Evening dusk. Twilight actually means the subdued light just after sunset. That is twilight. This is an easel, E-A-S-E-L, E-A-S-E-L, a stand, an upright frame or tripod to hold an artist's canvas.
Hello friends, Kripa Shankar here again with you. We thank you for your interest in Kripa Coaching and studentsrunway.com. If you find our content useful, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hope We hope you give us a +1 on Google. You could also subscribe to our email list and be notified upon new updates. Thank you. This is Krupashankar signing off. Good luck.